Alright guys, if you have a Range Rover Evoque, this video is for you. You will face this problem one day. You will have this gear shifter knob, the start core will not work. It's a pretty common issue guys. So on this video, I'm going to show how to remove and replace the gear knob control module. There are certain repair procedures, which is the common lock release getting stuck and not releasing, but it's not the right way. You need to replace it because they are plastic parts and they wear out with the time being. So stay in touch. As you can see, you need to remove the upper trim. You do not remove a whole center console panel to get into this control module. And also on this car, I am replacing with a second-hand module with a low kilometer car, removed from a low kilometers car. Since the new part is really expensive, and this customer was, I want to do with the second-hand part. All right, the upper panel is off, and that's where the module is. Here we go. So now that's the used part that I'm going to use on this car. There are 8mm screws all around, so you need to remove that trim and flip it other way. And those 4 8mm bolts that need to remove. So sorry, there was 7mm actually. All right, that's the new part that I'm going to install. This is a pretty easy job, guys. But if you do first time, you got to be careful when you pull the trims out. There may be chance that can break the trims if you pull it the wrong way, on the wrong direction. Just a replacement procedure only. There's no program or anything needed. It will reset and recalibrate automatically once you install it. There you go. It's pretty much done. And now I'm going to test it and start whether it's going to work properly. And on this car, the warning light was on and he couldn't move the car once it was stuck. So there are fault codes in the system. I'm going to hook up the scan tool and erase the fault codes. You will see that shortly. That's pretty much done, guys. So all the functions work. So if you have an Evoque with probably over 200,000 kilometers, you will face this problem one day. So here you go. That's the fault code, which is transmission range selector up and down position control error P176B. The other fault codes came up because of the disconnection of the other wires and stuff. But the main fault code is P176B. Now I'm just going to erase it and start the car, recheck it, make sure it's not going to come back. So Range Rover Evoque, Range Rover certain model, and Jaguar using the similar module. So pretty much some same problem with all the cars. Repeatable usage, I reckon. Yeah, guys, thanks for staying with me this video. Thumbs up. Just put in a comment if this video helps you. I would like to know how did you go with it. So thanks for watching again. Check onto my channel, subscribe to my channel, comment down below. How is your car? Did you fix it? And any ideas welcome.